Buenas, and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing Company. Today we are in Essex County, West Caldwell, New Jersey, and our project it's about replacing an old uh, power roof fan. So our project beginning by removing the caps and including the shingle around the old power roof fan. So this power roof fan it's no longer work, not a problem. We have our brand new GAF power roof fan up to the roof already and good to go. So the beginning of our project it's removing the caps and the shingle around the old one, and then we have to unwiring. Okay, so we have our power roof fan here already. We remove the shingle. So right now we're gonna do the inspection, and we have to see how it's all the wiring, if we can do from the roof or we have to go into the attic. All right, so basic this motor is dead, and that's why it doesn't work. It's not leaking, so this one is not leaking, but this doesn't work. So the solution, install new one, and that's exactly what we're doing here. Okay, so we are on continue. So right now we just unplug the old one, remove the unplug the wiring, and this one will be a garbage. All right. So power roof fan replacement project. Okay, Three Brothers Roofing, experience and quality, guarantee, no leaking, 100%. Okay, so we have unplugged the old one, and now we are ready with a new installation. So right here we just do the wiring, and it's very easy and simple. We just do the same way how it was, and that's it, easy and simple. So this is the new one, and this comes with a guard, so no squares or birds will get in. Okay, so we did our wiring, so now it's time to install the power roof fan. So let's say if your power roof fan doesn't work properly, or it's making some weird noise, or sometimes work or sometimes doesn't work, not a problem, give us a call and we will give you free inspection. We will take a look what's wrong and let you know if it's better to replace it, or sometimes it's leaking, but as I mentioned, this one is not leaking, it's just simple, it's dead. This motor, it's gone. So that's what we're doing here, replacing the old one with a new one, a GAF master flow. All right, guarantee 100%, it will stay there for good. Okay, so right now we're just closing the box. That's the last step, and then we will install the power roof fan permanently. Okay, and after all the repairs and connect all the wiring, now we are installing some ice shield as a base layer before installing the new power roof fan. Okay, and as I mentioned, this shingle is the base shingle, and this should go all the way up, and this flashing is supposed to go on top of this shingle. All right. Okay, so our power roof fan now we are installing, and as I mentioned, exactly this flashing go over the shingle, and this shingle is go all the way up. All right, so now we are implementing some roofing nails, and we have to do the new shingle around. Okay, and we are ongoing with our shingle installation, and in the meantime we are applying some caulking with our shingle installation. So that's how it looks. It looks nice and clean, and as I mentioned, we did apply some caulking to prevent any water leaking. Of course, caulking doesn't need it, but user we just applied for secure. That's all. 3 Brothers Roofing ongoing with the power roof and replacement project. Okay, so after all the repairs what we did it, now we are at the point where we are gonna install the cap. Okay, and the owner decided to go with the color black. The color usual is the owner will pick if they want to go with the brown or metal finish or black. Is their decision. We will ask and they will make their decision. All right. Okay, so we did all the shingle installation, the sealer ridge, and we did all repairs as needed. This project is completed 100%. Power roof and replacement. So that's it. Another project completed by a 3 Brothers Roofing company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.